Hi girls! Today we are going to talk about the Devol Spin Care System, and I'm super excited. The Devol company did send me the product for free. They said if you like it, maybe you might want to do a video. So I'm doing a video because they also gave me a wonderful code for 70% off. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is the Devol Spin Care System, and it's normally $95. So with 70% off, it's around $28. And with Christmas coming, it's a nice gift for you, and it's a nice gift for other people too. So let's open it up. So here it is. And it comes like this. I have opened it before because I put batteries in it. It's battery operated, but you can see it comes with the unit itself. And then you get a pumice stone for your feet and elbows, a body brush so you can use it for your whole body in the bath or shower. And this is an exfoliating brush, and this is a cleansing brush. So we're going to use all of them, but today we're just going to use the cleansing brush and the exfoliating brush. And in my next video, Get Ready With Me Date Night, we'll use the body brush and the pumice stone. So I'm going to get all the rest of it out of the way, and we will get started. So I have on some makeup right now, and I'm just popping in the cleansing brush, and it sounds like this. So it's very quiet. And there, I'm turning it off. So what I'm going to do to start off with is I'm going to take off with a makeup wipe my eye makeup, because I don't want to do that with the cleansing machine. And I'm going to take off my lipstick. There we go. And you can see, I'm just going to show you on the other side that I do have makeup on. My makeup matches my skin pretty well. I'm having trouble getting another cleansing wipe out. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of run this along my jaw. So you can see there's a little bit of makeup on there. It's kind of light in color, but it's there. So we're gonna take all of that off on the other side. Okay, so I've got my spin brush. I'm going to dip it in water, and I'm going to put a little bit of cleanser right on top. And then I'm just going to turn it on and kind of massage it around half of my face. And I'm going to stop so you can see it's already got that kind of tint to it, the makeup colored tint, sort of pinky beige. So I know it's working, but it's very soft, and it's kind of counterintuitive because most of the time they tell you to remove your makeup before you use a spin care system, a spin brush. But this one, they do give you a cleansing brush, and then you get an exfoliating brush to use after that. So I feel like I've done a pretty good job getting all the makeup off with my brush and my cleanser on half of my face. And you can see the color on the brush. It's kind of that pinkish beige color, so we know it worked. Now I'm just going to take a wet washcloth and wipe it all off, and then we'll use the exfoliating brush. So I'm not seeing any makeup on my washcloth. It's coming out pretty clean. So let's do the exfoliating brush, which is this one. You can see it's just a little bit more of a, I don't know, a little bit thicker brush, a little bit firmer brush. You can kind of feel a little more substance to it. So I'm going to dip it in the water again and put a little bit of cleanser on top. This is a skin sulfate-free cleanser. You can use any cleanser that you like. So let's try this. And this definitely feels like a little more scrubby. I feel like it's really invigorating my skin. I haven't tried this before and I kind of like it. I like this two-step process. You don't have to exfoliate every day if your skin is fragile or dry. But if you have large pores like I do and you have a tendency towards blackheads, I can see how this would be super helpful. Especially for the price. I feel like, why not? Why not do everything you can to pamper your skin if it's affordable? And they make it really affordable. So I'm getting all the areas of my face, my forehead, my cheeks, sides of my nose, around my mouth, all the way down to my chin. And you could take this down to your chest if you wanted, and then use the body brush. So you can see there's very little makeup on this because I already took the makeup off. So I have another wet washcloth to kind of get off the residue of that. Oh, and I just feel really fresh, really clean. I'm gonna dry it off and then I'll let you be the judge. I can see it's kind of like made my skin a little bit rosy, a little bit pink. So that's good. It doesn't hurt though. It just feels really super clean and super soft and ready for my skin treatments. So now I'm gonna take one more makeup wipe just to see if I got it all off. And there's nothing there. Totally white. So let's try the other side. And there's still makeup on that side. It's kind of hard to tell because my makeup is a very light color. It was just kind of like a tinted moisturizer. There, you can kind of see it more now. But that's what was on there. And as you just saw, there's absolutely nothing anymore. So I think this, is an awesome product. I think it's an awesome price. If you're interested in it for yourself or for gifts, definitely consider it. I'll leave all the information below. It's from Duvol.com. The code is Missy70, and that is for the Spin Care system that I showed you, and also for their hair styling products like curling irons and things to style your hair. So I hope you loved this. I did. It was kind of fun. I haven't done this sort of thing in a long time. So I love you girls. Have a wonderful day and enjoy this little Spin Care system if you get one. I think it's pretty good. Love you. Bye.